Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again. This is the T20 Super Cup tournament played at Chukatulba ground. This is the second evening of this match between DDC Dandora versus Yal. First, DDC Dandora win the toss and they elect to bat first and they give target 215 runs to Yal. So this is the first delivery of the second inning. Muharram is the bowler. He plays already very good inning. He made 120 runs. Khaki Ejaz is the batsman on strike. Imtiaz is on non-strike. YCC Yal required 215 run. And this is the good delivery, third delivery. Very good kicker play today by DDC Dandora. They give good total on the board to YCC Yal, 215 runs. Ejaz is on strike. And this is another third delivery, good delivery. Still no run for YCC Yal. They faced 3 deliveries of his first over. Required run rate for DDC YCC Yal is 13. And this is another third delivery. Muharram is the bowler. Ejaz is on strike. Required run for YCC Yal is 215 runs. This is the second evening of this match between YCC Yal versus DCC Dandora. This is the first run for YCC Yal. The score goes on 1. Target is 215 on board. Imtiaz is on strike. Muharram to Imtiaz. And this is another dot delivery. First hour completed and 5 deliveries. Now left 1 delivery of this first hour. Imtiaz is on strike. And there's another dot delivery. First hour completed and score is only 1 on board. Muharram complete his first hour and gives only 1 run. The target for YCC Yal is 215 runs. Can they make this total? This will be seen in next. Still Imtiaz is on strike and Khaki Ejaz is on non-strike. The new bowler is Tanveer Rashid is the new bowler for DDC Dandora. YCC Yal required 13 runs per over. Tanveer Rashid to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on strike and this is a good shot played by Khaki Ejaz for first 6. This is the first 6 for Khaki Ejaz and first 6 for YCC Yal. With this 6, the score goes on 7 without any loss. YCC Yal required 208 runs in 101 deliveries. Lala. Ashik Baba, ये कहाँ पर है? Thank you Ashik Baba Sahab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. Ashik Sahab, this tournament is played at Chukatulba ground. Today's match is between DCC Dandora versus YCC Yal. First DCC Dandora win the toss and they elected to bat first. After 18 hours they give target 215 runs to YCC Yal. Zahid Bhatt, thank you Zahid Bhatt Sahab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. And this is Tanveer to Ejaz, and this is another good shot at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take double. With this two, the score goes on 9 without any loss. Khaki Ejaz is on 9. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. And this is another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz for another 6. This is the second 6 for Khaki Ejaz. Ejaz goes on 15. He faces 7 deliveries with two huge 6. With this 6, the score goes on 15 in 1.3 hours. Najar Ubaid Kunzar ka match hai ab. Thank you Najar Ubaid Saab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. Thank you Najar Ubaid Saab. Sharif Deen Tar Saab, thank you for watching this live stream, and also share this live stream with your friends. And also you can see also this watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Najar Ubaid watching from Kuzar. Thank you Ubaid Saab for watching this live stream. Right now this is Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz, and it is dot delivery. Good delivery by Tanveer Rashid. The score remaining on 15 runs without any loss. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Bagh ground. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz, another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz, and the ball goes raised to another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 19 without any loss. Khaki Ejaz reached on 19 runs. He faces 9 deliveries with the help of 1 4 and 2 huge 6. This is T20 Super Cup playing at Chukatul Bagh ground, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is Tanveer Rashid. Tanveer Rashid to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz plays on 19. He just faced 9 deliveries with the help of 1 4 and 2 huge 6. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz, and another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz for another 4. This is good cricket by Khaki Ejaz. With this 4, the score goes on 19 without any loss. And the individual score for Khaki Ejaz is 23 with the help of 2 4s and 2 huge 6. The target on board is 215 runs through. The partnership goes on 23 in just 12 deliveries. Tanveer Rashid completes his first hour, and he is very expensive. He gives 22 in first hour. Score remaining on 23 for the loss, no loss without any loss in 2 hours. YCCL needs 192 runs in 96 deliveries. Partnership goes on 23 in 12 deliveries. Tanveer Rashid is very expensive. He put his first hour, and he gives 22 runs in his first hour. Khaki Ejaz plays on 23 in just 10 deliveries with 2 huge 6s and 2 4s. Score remaining on 23 for the loss of no loss in 2 hours. Now Muharram comes to put his second hour. Muharram to Imtiaz, and this is another shot played by the player for first 4 for Imtiaz, and this is the 4. With this 4, the score goes on 27 for the no loss in 2.1 hour. Sam Muzammil, Lala theek hai. Thank you Sam Muzammil Saab for watching this live stream. Yes, Lala is okay. Lala is on. He is umpire. Muharram to, and this is good bowling by Muharram. Muharram is the player who always plays good knock from GC Tandora. He makes 120, and this is the first wicket for Muharram and first wicket for GDC Tandora. YCC lost their first wicket in just 27 runs. Good cricket played by Muharram. Muharram is the player who plays always very good knock. He makes 120 runs in his first evening. The target for YCCL is 215 runs. It is very huge total on this ground. Very good total on the board. And YCCL loses their first wicket in early, and 27 runs on board. They lost their first wicket in just 2.2 hours. The new batsman on crease, Zuhur Yal comes to on crease. and partnership goes end on 27 for the loss of one. Muharram takes his first wicket. Muharram is the batsman player who plays already good knock from DCC Tundora. The new batsman come on crease is Zuhur Yal. Muharram to Zuhur. And this is another good delivery, and this is top delivery by Muharram. The score remaining on 27 for the loss of one wicket. Muharram to Zuhur Yal. Here is Muharram to Zuhur, and this is another good delivery by Muharram, and this is another dot delivery. Good cricket played by DCC Tundora today. They have very impressive cricket. They have decent cricket play today. Muharram to the new batsman Zuhur, and this is another dot delivery but keeper. This is missed by keeper, and this is by 4. With this 4, the score goes on 30. With this by 4, the score goes on 31 with the loss of one wicket. Zuhur Yal is on strike. Muharram is on his second hour. He faces some problem here. Muharram is the player who already played very well, knock 120 runs, and this is another good delivery, top delivery, no run. At the end of 3 hours, the score goes on 31 for the loss of one. Now YCC Yal required 184 runs in 90 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Right now the two teams are YCC Yal versus DCC Tundora. First DCC Tundora win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 18 hours they give the target of 215 runs to YCC Yal. After 3 hours YCC Yal scored 31 with they lost 1 wicket in 3 hours. The batsman on strike is Khaki Ejaz. The new bowler comes to ball, and this is a wide delivery given by, and this is wide and missed by the wicket keeper. The score goes on 36 for the loss of 1 wicket. Khaki Ejaz is on strike, and this is a good shot played by Khaki Ejaz. And with this, the ball goes for another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 40. The individual score of Khaki Ejaz is 31 runs. YCC Yal required 175 runs in 89 deliveries. Farhan Wani is watching this live stream. Thank you Farhan Wani Sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live. This is another good shot played, but at the end missed. Very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 41 for the loss of 1. Farhan Wani Sir, thank you for watching this. And Lala, he is on umpire right now. This is Tanveer to Zuhur. The score remaining on 41 for the loss of 1 in 3.3 hours. The target on board is 250 runs. Well played by DCC Tundora. Well not played by Muharram, and he took his first wicket in 2 hours. Right now Tanveer to Zuhur Yal. And this is a wide delivery given by the umpire and also missed by the wicket keeper. The score is 43 for the loss of 1 wicket in 3.2 hours. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on 28, and this is another wide delivery given by Tanveer Ahmed. With this run, the score goes on 44 for the loss of 1. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this live stream. You can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Keep share this live stream. Right now, Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. And this is another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz for another huge 6. With this 6, the score goes on 50 for the loss of 1. The individual score for Khaki Ejaz is 34 with 3 huge 6 and 3 4s. Partnership goes on 23 in just 7 deliveries. DCC Dundora gives good target on board 215 runs to YCC Yal. Khaki Ejaz plays on 34 with 3 huge sixes and 3 fours. Tanveer Ahmed is very expensive. He gives 19 runs in just 3 deliveries. Kaisa play jaldi. Right now this is Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on 34. And another good shot played by Tanveer. Khaki Ejaz, very good shot. And this is huge 6. And this is another 6 for Khaki Ejaz. Another 6 for YCC Yal. Score goes on 56 for the loss of 1. And another 6 for Khaki Ejaz. He reached on 40 runs. He just faced 14 deliveries. The partnership goes on 29 in just 8 deliveries. Very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz goes on 40 in just 14 deliveries. Very expensive over by Tanveer Ahmed. He gives 25 runs in just 4 deliveries. 56 is on board. Loss of 1 wicket. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The organization body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani Lala, Mr. Shahnawaz and Mr. Tawfiqul Noor are the organization of Naiku Mehraj. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. Thank you Naiku Mehraj Saab for watching this live stream. Yes, Khaki Ejaz Saab is on fire. He makes 40 runs in just 14 deliveries with 4 huge sixes and 3 fours. The strike run rate is 285 for Ejaz Khaki. The score is 56. Only lost 1 wicket in just 3.4 hours. The required run 159 in 86. Can they win? Can they make this total? It will be seen in next. Khaki Ejaz is on strike. He is on 40. Tanveer. This is very expensive over by Tanveer. 25 runs given in just 4 deliveries. This is Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is on 40. He is on 40. He is on strike. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. And another good shot played by Tanveer Ejaz Khaki. Another huge 6. And this is no delivery and a free hit. Very good cricket played by Ejaz Khaki. And he reached on 46. Just faced 15 deliveries. Very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. This is very expensive over 32 runs in just 5 deliveries. And Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. He is on 46 in just 15 deliveries with the help of 5 huge sixes and 3 fours. With this 4, the score goes on 63 in 3.4 hours and they lost only 1 wicket. DCC Dundora should stop this partnership. Partnership goes on 36 in just 9 deliveries. Very good cricket played by Ejaz Khaki. He is on 46. He needs 4 runs for his 50 and this is free hit. Tanveer's over is very expensive over. He gives 32 runs. Tanveer to Ejaz Khaki. Ejaz Khaki is on fire. Shahid Amla, match kahan pe hai? This match is on ground Chukar Tulbagh. This is another shot played by Ejaz Khaki, but at the end this is miss. Only 1 run. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 64. The individual score for Khaki Ejaz is 47. And this is the last delivery of his over. Very expensive over by Tanveer Ahmed. 33 runs he gives in 5 deliveries. And this is another good this is dot delivery. At the end of 4 hours, the score is 64 and they lost only 1 wicket. Shahid Amla, this ground is in Chukar and this is the Super Cup T20 tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. And the organizing body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani Lala, Tawfiqul Noor and Mr. Shahnawaz. Amir Musa, ye match kahan chal raha hai? This match is at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Right now, Muharram to Ejaz Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on 47. Can Muharram stop this partnership? Can he stop this batsman? Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. Muharram to Khaki Ejaz. And this is another good delivery, but this is dot delivery, no run, score remaining on 64 for the loss of 1. Here is some pan in the body of Muharram. He also plays very good knock. He makes 120 run in just 58 deliveries. Muharram to Ejaz Khaki. Ejaz Khaki on 47 and very good delivery by Muharram. And this is dot delivery. This is the match between DCC Dandora versus YCC Yal at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Very good cricket played by the two teamers. Very decent cricket, disciplined cricket today played the two teamers YCC Yal and DCC Dandora. This is the Super T20 Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. And the target for YCC Yal is 215 runs on board. And the score for YCC Yal is 64 and they have lost 1 wicket in 4.3 hours. And the batsman for YCC Yal is Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is the player who is on strike. He is on 47 runs. He faces just 19 deliveries with the help of 5 huge 6 and 3 4s. The score remaining on 64. Muharram is the bowler. He gives only 5 runs in 2.3. Muharram to Khaki Ejaz. And another good shot by Khaki Ejaz. This is the 50 for Ejaz. Very good knock by Khaki Ejaz. Another 6 for Khaki Ejaz and another 6 for YCC Yal. The score goes on 70 and they have lost 1 wicket in just 4.4 hours. They need 145 runs now in 80 deliveries. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is on 53. He just faced 20 deliveries with a huge 6 and 3 4s. The partnership is going on 43 in just 15 deliveries. Very good cricket played by YCC Yal here, and they have this partnership 43 runs in 15 deliveries. DCC Dandora should be stop this partnership. If they need this match, they should be stop this partnership. They need this wicket. Ejaz Khaki is on fire. He is on 53 runs. Muharram to Ejaz Khaki. And this is another dot delivery. The score remaining on 70 and they have lost 1 wicket. Ejaz Khaki is the player. He makes 53 in just 21 deliveries with the help of 6 huge 6 and 3 4s. The strike run rate is 252. Ejaz Khaki is on strike. Muharram to Ejaz and another dot delivery by Muharram. Muharram completes his third hour and he gives only 11 runs and he takes his 1 wicket. The score for YCC Yal is 70 and they have lost 1 wicket in 5 hours. Faizan is the new bowler. YCC Yal required 145 runs in 78 deliveries. Can they win this match? Can DCC Yal stop this partnership? They need this wicket. They need this partnership. The partnership goes on 43 in just 17 deliveries. If they want to win this match, they need this partnership. They need wicket of Khaki Ejaz. Faizan is the new bowler to Zuhur Yal. Zuhur Yal faces 5 deliveries. He is on strike. After 5 hours, the score for YCC Yal is 70 and they lost 1 wicket. Faizan to Zuhur. And this is a dot delivery. Good bowling by Faizan. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 70 and they lost 1 wicket. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. And this is another good delivery by Faizan. And this is another dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 70 and they lost 1 wicket in 5.2 hours. Khaki Ejaz is on non-strike. He is on 53. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. And this is another Kilipite player. This is another first 4 for Zuhur Yal. And with this 4, the score goes on 74 and they have lost 1 wicket. With this 4, the individual score for Zuhur Yal is 4. He faces 8 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. To the organizing body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hizmani, Mr. Shahnawaz and Tawfiqul Noor. Partnership goes on 47 in just 20 deliveries. Zuhur is on strike. And this is wide delivery given by the umpire, Mr. Abdul Hamid Mani Lala. And Faizan on his bowling mark. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. Zuhur is on strike. He is on 4s. Faizan to Zuhur. And another good shot played by Zuhur Yal for another 6. This is first 6 for Zuhur and this is the 6 for YCC Yal. With this 6 the score goes on 75 and they have lost 1 wicket. The partnership goes on 48 runs in 20 deliveries. DCC Dandora need this partnership. They need 1 wicket. They need wicket of Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is the batsman who is on non-strike. He makes 53 runs in just 22 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup tournament played at Chukar Tulba ground. This is the second inning of this match. The target on board is 215 runs given by DCC Dandora to YCC Yal. First DCC Dandora win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 18 hours they give target to YCC Yal 215 runs and well played by Muharram. Muharram is the batsman who plays very well knock for DCC Dandora. He makes 120 runs in just 58 deliveries and he take also 1 wicket. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. The score remaining on 81 for the loss of 1 in just 5.4 hours. The current run rate is 14.29. Lala, and another good shot played by the player at the end. Very good fielding by the field player. And with this single, the score goes on 82. Lala, you should play it. Faizan to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on 55 runs. Faizan to Khaki Ejaz and another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz for another 6. This is another 6 for Khaki Ejaz. Very good played by Khaki Ejaz. This is very good knock by Khaki Ejaz. And, with this 6, the score goes on 88 and they have lost only 1 wicket. The partnership goes on 61 runs and they have only faced 23 deliveries. DCC Dandora need this partnership. They need this wicket. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is on 59. He just faced 23 deliveries. And with the 7 huge 6s and with 3 4s, can Khaki Ejaz win this match? Can he plays for 88 runs on board and they have lost only 1 wicket. In just 6 hours. The current run rate is 14.67. Very good knock played by Khaki Ejaz. 59 runs in just 23 deliveries. Now Rais Ahmed is on bowling mark. Rais Ahmed to Zuhur Yal. 127 run need in 72 deliveries. Rais is the new bowler. Rais Ahmed on his bowling mark. Zuhur Yal is on strike. He is on 11 runs. The target for YCC Yal is 215 runs. Now they required run rate and this is a wide delivery given by Lala. With this run the score goes on 89 for the loss of 1 in 6 hours. Rais Ahmed is the bowler and Zuhur Yal is on strike. Race to Zuhur and this is a dot delivery. Dot delivery. The score remaining on 89 and they have lost 1 wicket. They need 126 run and another good shot played by Zuhur Yal for another huge 6 given by Lala. This is another kicker. This is another 6 for YCC Yal and another 6 for Zuhur Yal. This is the second 6 for Zuhur Yal. He goes on 70. He is on 17 runs. He just faced 12 deliveries. The score goes on 95 and they have lost only 1 wicket. Now they required 120 runs in 70 deliveries. 95 and they have lost 1 wicket. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulba ground. This is the second inning of this match. The total target on 215 runs given by DCC Dandora to YCC Yal. After 6.2 hours the score is 95 and they have lost only 1 wicket. Zuhur Yal is on 17 runs and Khaki Ejaz is the player who makes 59 runs with the help of 7 huge 6s and 3 4s. in just 23 deliveries. Rais Ahmed to Zuhur Yal. Rais to Zuhur. And this is another good shot played by Zuhur, but at the end, very good fielding by the player Muharram, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 96. Khaki Ejaz is on strike, and another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz, and another 4 for Khaki Ejaz, another 4 for YCC Yal, and this is 100 goes up for 100 YCC Yal. Now they required 115 runs in just 68 deliveries. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is on 63, and he just faced 24 deliveries. With the help of 4 fours and 7 huge sixes. DCC Dondora need this partnership. They need this wicket. If they need this match, if they want to win this match, race to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is the player. He is on 63. Race to Khaki Ejaz. Now required run is 150. Race to Khaki Ejaz, and this is the wide delivery and missed by the wicket keeper. Wide and buys 4. Not good cricket played by DCC Dondora. They need to break this partnership. They need the wicket of Khaki Ejaz, but still they are on board 105, and they have 1 wicket only loss. Another good shot played by and misfielded by the fielder, and another 4 for Khaki Ejaz, another 4 for YCC Yal given by Lala. The score goes on 109 for the loss of 1 in just 6.5 hours. The current run rate is 16. Khaki Ejaz is on fire. He is on 67 in just 25 deliveries. With the help of 7 6 and 5 fours, partnership goes on 82 and just 28 race to Khaki Ejaz, and another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz, another huge 6. So this is good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. With this 6, the score goes on 115 run on board, and they have lost only 1 wicket. Very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. With the help of 8 6, he is on 73. He just faced 26. The partnership goes on 88 runs, only just 29 deliveries, 115 on board, and they have only lost 1 wicket in 7 hours. Very good knock played by Khaki Ejaz, and Khaki Ejaz is a player who can give good chase to YCC Yal required only 100 runs in 66 deliveries. DCC Dondora needs this partnership. This partnership goes on 88, and they face only 29 deliveries. Sam Muzammil, Lala love you. Thank you Sam Muzammil Saab for watching this live stream. Amir Majid Mahmudpura match kab hai? Amir Majid Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Share this live stream. This is the match between YCC Yal versus DCC Dondora. First, DCC Dondora win the toss and decide to bat first, and they give total target 215 runs to YCC Yal on board. After 7 hours, the score is 115 for YCC Yal, and this is good. Another good shot, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder. Only 1 run for the 2 batsmen. With this single, the score goes on 116 in 7.1 hour, and they have lost only 1 wicket. Khaki Ejaz is the batsman who is on strike. He is on 73 runs. Raju to Khaki Ejaz. Another good shot at the end. Third, there is a misfield by the fielder, and another 4 for Khaki Ejaz. With this 4, the score goes on 120 runs. Now YCC Yal required only 95 runs in just 64 deliveries. Can GCC Dondora stop this partnership? Can they stop Khaki Ejaz? Khaki Ejaz is the player who is on fire. The partnership goes on 89 runs in just 30 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh tournament. Chukar Tulbagh ground. Raju to another good shot, another 6 for Khaki Ejaz, another 6 for Khaki Ejaz. Very good knock played by Khaki Ejaz. With this 6, the score goes on 122 run. And Ejaz Khaki, he is on fire. The partnership goes on 95 runs. They need only. Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. He is on 83 runs. Now YCC Yal required 89 runs in 63 deliveries. deliveries. Very good knock played by Khaki Ejaz. Raju to Khaki Ejaz. And this is wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. Not good cricket played by DCC Dandora. DCC Dandora need this partnership. They need this wicket. They need this partnership. If they break this, they will. And right now it is Raju 17. Raju 17 to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz. And another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz. Another 4 for Khaki Ejaz. And this is good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. He moves on 87 runs in just 29 deliveries. Very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. With this 4, the score goes on 131. And they have lost only 1 wicket. Very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. The partnership goes on 104. And this is good partnership between Zuhur Yal and Khaki Ejaz. Century partnership. And this is century partnership between Khaki Ejaz and Zuhur Yal. Now required only 84 runs in just 62 deliveries. Can they win this match? Can they complete this target? This will be Raju 17 to Khaki Ejaz. And this is good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. The score remaining on 131. Only lost 1 wicket. Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. He is on 87 runs. He just faced 30 deliveries with a huge 9 sixes. Raju 17 to Khaki Ejaz. Another good, and this is dot delivery. Dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 131. And they have lost only 1 wicket. After 8 hours, 131 on board, and they have lost 1. Now YCC Yal required only 84 runs in just 60 deliveries. And this is good cricket played by YCC Yal. Very good cricket, very good knock by Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz plays on 87 in just 31 deliveries. Faizan Ahmad is the new ball on his bowling mark. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. Zuhur Yal is on strike. And this is a dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 131. And they have lost only 1 after 8.1 hours. Zuhur Yal is on strike. The partnership goes on 104 runs in 36. Faizan to Zuhur. Another good shot played, but and misfield by the player. This is another 4 for Zuhur Yal. Another 4 for YCC Yal. The score goes on 135. And they have lost only 1 wicket after 8.2 hours. Now they required only 80 runs in 58 deliveries. Zuhur Yal is on 23. The partnership goes on 108 runs. DCC Yal Dandora need this partnership. Faizan is the bowler and Zuhur Yal is on strike. He is on 23 runs. Now required runs 80 in just 58 deliveries. Faizan to Zuhur. And this is another good shot played by Zuhur Yal. Another 4. Another good shot. And this is another 4 for YCC Yal. The individual score for Zuhur Yal is 23. With this 4, the score goes on 139. And they have lost only 1 wicket. They need now 76 runs in 57 deliveries. Partnership goes on 112. Another good shot. And another 4 for YCC Yal. Good cricket played by Zuhur Yal. After 8.3 hours, the score goes on 143, and they have lost only 1 wicket. DCC Dandora needs this partnership. Very good cricket played by the 2 batsmen. They have completed century partnership. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. Another, and this is dot delivery. Lala, this one thoda yokum. This is dot delivery. The score remaining on 143, and they have lost only 1 wicket in 8.5 overs. Now they require 72 in 55 deliveries. This is the last delivery of this hour. 143 on board. Faizan to Zuhur Yal. He is on 31. And another good shot played by Zuhur. And this is another 4 for YCC Yal. Another 4 for Zuhur Yal. With this 4, the score goes on 147. And they have lost only 1 wicket after 9 hours. Very good cricket played by YCC Yal. This partnership goes on 120 runs in just 41 deliveries. What a knock, what a good cricket play. This spirit cricket is, they have impressive cricket today, YCC Yal. After 9 hours, the score is 147 and they have only 1 wicket loss. They required now 68 in just 5-4 deliveries. This partnership goes on 120 and they have only faced 41 deliveries. Very expensive cricket, the bowlers of DCC Dandora. Now YCC Yal, they need only 68 runs in just 54 deliveries. Khaki Ejaz is the batsman who is on fire. He is on strike. He is on 87. Muharram is the bowler. He take only one wicket for DCC Yal, and he is the player. He plays also very good knock. 120 runs he make in his inning. Now this is Muharram to Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz, he is on strike. He is on 87. YCCR required only 68 runs in 54 deliveries. Muharram to Khaki Ejaz. And this is the top delivery, no run. The score remaining 147, and they have lost only one wicket. Now they need 68 run. Farooq Mir, कौन सी टीम खेल रही है? Farooq Mir साहब, thank you for watching this live stream, and also share this live stream. The two teams are YCCL and DCC Dundora. The target on board is 215, but YCCL played very good knock here, and they have 147 runs, and they have lost only one wicket in 9.1 hours. Khaki Ejaz is the batsman who makes 87. He plays only 32 deliveries with 9 huge sixes and 7 fours. Zuhur Yal also plays very good knock. He is on non-strike. He makes 35. Muharram to Khaki Ejaz, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. With this run, the score goes on 148. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chuka Park ground. The two teams are DCC Tundora versus YCC Yal. The target on board is 215, but the batsmen of YCC Yal, they played very well. Knock Khaki Ejaz is on strike, and this is another dot delivery. The score remaining on 148, and they have lost only one wicket. Muharram is on his bowling mark, and Khaki Ejaz is on strike. But Saab Dundora kya karan? Dundora, which this is another good shot, and this is full toss, and this is no ball given by the umpire. And with this 6, the individual score for Khaki Ejaz is on 93 runs. The score goes on 155, and they have lost only one after 9.2 hours. Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire. He is on 93. He required 7 runs for his century. Now 60 runs required YCC Yal. Bowler, he faces some problem. He has a back pain. Now YCCR requires 60 runs in 52 deliveries. Not good cricket played by DCC Dundora here. They have not good cricket. They give now Muharram to Khaki Ejaz, and another 4. This is another 4 for Khaki Ejaz. He moves on 97. With this 4, the score goes on 155, and they have lost only one. Now YCC Yal required only 56 runs. DCC Dundora need this partnership. YCC Yal required only 56 runs in 51 deliveries. Good knock played by Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz is 97. Another good shot played by Khaki Ejaz. He completed his century, and Khaki Ejaz is the player who completes his century. Very good knock by Khaki Ejaz. With this 4, the score goes on 163 runs. Now they required only 52. Very good knock by Khaki Ejaz. Khaki Ejaz, the partnership between these two players, 136 run is the partnership. Very good partnership. 100 imkur akat shetra balun. Muharram to Khaki Ejaz, and this is a dot delivery. Now only 52 run required, and they need 52 in 49, and this is another single by the two batsmen. With this single, the score goes on 164. Now they required only 51. Akwanza ball Arteji. Very good cricket played by the two batsmen. They have two batsmen. They make 137 partnership in just 48 deliveries. Zuhur Yal, he makes 35 in 20 deliveries. And the batsman Khaki Ejaz, he completes his century in just 38 deliveries. Good knock played by Khaki Ejaz. Not good cricket played by DCC Dundora. Now 51 Rukayat only in 48 deliveries. YCC Yal. Khaki Ejaz, he is on strike. He is on fire. Tanveer on his second over. Tanveer to Khaki Ejaz. And this is and missed by the third. And here is another single for the two batsmen. With this single, the score goes on 165, and they have lost only 1 wicket. Now they required only 50 runs. Tanveer to Zuhur Yal. And this is another shot, but at the end, this is end of this partnership. Very good knock played by Zuhur Yal. He goes on 35. The partnership goes on and on 138. Very good cricket played by the two batsmen. Akat Pansat. Now YCC Yal required 50 runs. Kaisar Dar is the new batsman. YCC Yal required only 50 runs in 46 deliveries. Kaisar Dar is the new batsman on crease. Khaki Ejaz, he is the batsman. He completed his century just 38 deliveries with the help of 10 sixes and 9 fours. Tanveer takes his first wicket, but he is very expensive. He gave us 34 runs in 1.2 overs. Kaisar Dar, he is on strike. He is the new batsman. YCC Yal required 50 runs in just 46 deliveries. Tanveer to the new batsman Kaisar, and this is dot delivery, no run. Amir Mahindra out, कौन हो गया for YCC Yal. Zuhur is the batsman who goes on 35, and Imtiaz, he only make 4 runs. The two batsmen Kaisar Dar and Khaki Ejaz. And this is a leg bye given by the umpire. With this one, the score goes on 166, and they lost 2 wickets. Now they required 49 runs. Khaki Ejaz, he is on fire, he is on strike. Another good shot played, but at the end, very good catch taken by the player. Good catch, but at the end, I must say, very good cricket played by Khaki Ejaz. He goes on 103. Very good century by Khaki Ejaz. This is the third wicket. Now they required only 49 runs, and they have only 43 ballers. Amjid Hussain is the new batsman on crease. 166 on board, and they have lost 3 wickets. And the partnership goes, and Zuhur and Khaki Ejaz, the two batsmen playing very good knock. They have completed century partnership here. Very good cricket played by the two batsmen Khaki Ejaz and Zuhur Yal. Now the two batsmen, they are new batsmen. Amjid Hussain is the new batsman on crease, and Kaisar Dar is on non-strike. Tanveer takes his second wicket. Tanveer to the new batsman Amjid Hussain. This is the last delivery of this hour. Tanveer to Amjid Hussain. This is the wide delivery given by the umpire Mr. Lala. With this wide, the score goes on 167. Now YCC Yal required only 48 runs in just 43 deliveries. Tanveer to new batsman Amjid, and this is another wide delivery given by the umpire Mr. Lala. And this is not good cricket by DCC Dundora. They need wickets. They have only 47. They need 7 wickets. Tanveer to Amjid, and here is chance, but missed this chance. Dot delivery, no run. After 11 hours, the score for YCC Yal is 168 and they have lost the 3 wickets. Now YCC Yal required 47 runs in 42 deliveries. Sweet Nalayak under 90 का मैच का पे thank you Sweet Nalayak sir for watching this live stream. Satoji. Now YCC Yal required only 47 runs in just 42 deliveries. Right jump balance करने Satoji. Kaisadar, he is on strike. And this is another dot delivery, good delivery. The score remaining on 168 and they have lost 3 wickets in 11 hours. Tanveer to Kaisar. And this is not good cricket by Kaisar Dar. And here, but cannot. That 2 batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score goes on 169 and they have lost 3. Now required 46 runs in 40 deliveries. DCC Dundora needs 7 wickets and YCC Yal required 46 runs. Sweet Nalayak, thank you for watching this match. Cup Hum Pro under 19. Still we have not information about that match. And this is Tanveer to, and here is misfielding by Tanveer. And the 2 batsmen take 2 runs. With this 2, the score goes on 171. Now 44 run need YCC Yal in 39 deliveries. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Tanveer to Amir. Another shot played by the player Amir for another single. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score goes on 172. Now YCC Yal required only 43 in 38 deliveries. And this is a good catch taken by Tanveer. Very good wicket for DCC Dundora. Now they lead 6 wickets. YCC Yal lost their 4th wicket. Pass. Mohammad Akib is the new batsman on crease. DCC Dundora needs 6 wickets. YCC Yal needs 43 runs. Tanveer Rashid take his first wicket. Titaji. Now YCC Yal required 43 runs in 37 deliveries. The 2 batsmen from YCC Yal, Kaki Ejaz and Zuhur, they are the 2 batsmen who played very well now, but right now they have lost 4 wickets in 172. Now they required 43 runs in 37. This is good match here. Very good match played at Chukatul Bagh ground. This match is between DCC Dundora versus YCC Yal. First, DCC Dundora win the toss and they decide to bat first and they have given target 215 to YCC Yal. After 12 hours, the score on board is 173 and they have lost 4 hours. Now 36 balls and they have 42 run need in just 36 deliveries. DCC Dundora needs wickets and YCC Yal need only 42. Mohammad Akib is on strike. This is a very impressive cricket playing between the 2 teams. Tanveer to Mohammad Akib. This is top delivery and no run. Now YCC Yal required 42 in 35 deliveries. Here is a very good cricket played by the 2 teams. Decent cricket, disciplined cricket at Chukatul background. Tanveer to Mohammad Akib. And this is another good shot played by Mohammad Akib. And this is 4 for Mohammad Akib and 4 for YCC Yal. With this 4, the score goes on 177. Tanveer is the bowler. He is very expensive bowler, but here he needs good bowling. But YCC Yal required only 38 runs in just 34 deliveries. Mohammad Akib, he is on strike. And another good shot played by Mohammad Akib, but only a single. With this single, the score goes on 178. Now YCC Yal required 37 run in just 33 balls. Sweet नालायक मैच कब हम ब्रो अभी पता नहीं है मैच कब है आपका अंडर 19 still you watch this match between YCC Yal and DCC Dundora. Tanveer to Muhammad Akib, and this is another single. This is single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 180 runs. Now required run is 36. Tanveer to Muhammad Akib, and here is this catch by the player. Not good cricket play by DCC and misfield. And this is 5. Not good cricket played by DCC Dundora, and they need to be good to cricket here if they need this match. Now the score goes on 184, and they have lost 4 wickets. Now YCC are required only 31 run in 31 balls. Very good cricket here between the two teams, YCC Yal and DCC Dundora. DCC Dundora gives the target on board 215, but very good cricket played by YCC Yal, 184, and another good shot played by at the end. It is another 4, and the 4-5 YCC Yal. Not good cricket played by DCC Dundora. Tanveer Ahmed is the very expensive bowler. He is very expensive. He gives 52 runs in 3 hours. Now 27 run. Only 27 run in 30 deliveries. Very good cricket played by YCC Yal. They need only 27 runs in 30 deliveries. Can DCC Dundora stop this partnership? They need wickets. But YCC Yal, they have aggressive cricket. They played very good cricket. They need only 27 runs in just 30 deliveries. The partnership goes on 16 in just 7 deliveries. Raju 17 to Amjid Hussain. Amjid Hussain is on strike. Raju to Amjid. And this is top delivery, no run. Now 27 run required and 29 deliveries. Raju 17. He is on his second hour. First hour, expensive hour. Raju to Amjid. Here is a very good right hand, very good catch taken by the bowler Raju 17. And this is 5th wicket for YCC Yal. They lost their 5th wicket. Now YCC Yal required 27 runs in 28 deliveries. And DCC Dundora need 5 wickets. YCC Yal required 1. They need 27 runs only in 28 deliveries. Partnership and Raju 17 take his first wicket. Very good catch by the bowler Raju 17. Good catching by Raju 17. And after the 5th wicket for YCC Yal, score on board is 188, and they have lost 5 wickets in 13.2 overs. Now YCC Yal required 27 runs in 28 deliveries. This is very tight match. This is very good match. 28 deliveries, 27 runs needed, and DCC Dundora need 5 wickets. Shabir Yal, he is on strike. He is new batsman. Raju 17 to Shabir Yal. Raju 17 to Shabir, and this is a misfield by the player, and they take a single. With the single, the score goes on 189. Now required run is 26 in 27 deliveries. Thank you for watching this live stream. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Raju to the batsman, and this is top delivery, no run. Good bowling by Raju 17. The two batsmen, they are new batsmen, Muhammad Akib and Shabir Yal. Raju 17 to Muhammad Akib. YCC Yal need 26. Raju to Muhammad Akib. Another good shot played by Muhammad at the end. Oh, this is good catch taken by the player, and good catch at the end. This is end of the 6th wicket for YCC Yal. Very good bowling by Raju 17. Good catch taken by the player. Misko Yal, Misko now. Cage Road. Sakib is the player who take good catch at the end, and this is the sixth wicket loss for YCC. They lost their sixth wicket, and they have 189 on board. Now they need 26 runs, and they have 4 wickets in hand in 25 deliveries. Raju 17 is the bowler. He takes his second wicket in 1.5 hours. Now 25 deliveries left, and YCC Yal need 26 runs. DCC Dundora need 4 wickets. Raju 17 to the new batsman. This is the last ball of this over. YCC Yal needs 26 runs, and DCC Dundora need 4 wickets here. The new batsman on board is Shaukat Welder. Raju 17 to Shaukat. Shaukat is new batsman on crease, and this is a good delivery, dot delivery, no run. Over is up. After 14 hours, the score for YCCR is 189. Then they have lost 6 wickets. Now YCCR required run 26 in 24 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup playing at Chukatulba ground. The two teams are playing today. YCC Yal versus DCC Dundora. DCC Dundora win the toss and they decide to bat first after 18 hours. They give the target of 215 to YCC Yal. But at the end, very good knock played by Zuhur and Ejaz Khaki. The partnership, they have made 138 runs. Ejaz Khaki made his century, and Zuhur makes 38 run. 35, sorry. Now YCC Yal needs 26 runs in 24 deliveries. Tanveer Rashid is on bowling and he is on bowling mark. Sam Muzammil, thank you for watching this live stream. Now YCC Yal need 26 runs in 24 deliveries, and they have 4 wickets in hand. Tanveer to Shibir Yal. Tanveer to Shibir Yal. And this is good delivery, dot delivery by Tanveer. This is dot delivery. The score remaining on 189, and they have lost 6 wickets. Now 26 YCC need in 23 deliveries. YCC Yal need 26 runs. Tanveer to Shibir, and this is a good shot played at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder Sakib, and but cannot take a single to take the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score goes on 190. Now YCC Yal needs 24 runs. Tanveer Rashid, Tanveer to the new batsman Shaukat. Now YCC Yal required run 25 in 22 deliveries. Can Tanveer stop these two? It will be seen in next. Tanveer to Shaukat, and this is not good shot played by, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score goes on 191, and they have lost 6 wickets. Now YCC Yal needs 25. Oh, it's come. Very good shot played by then very good fielding by Raju 17. Only 1 run. With this single, the score goes on 192. Now YCC Yal need 23 run in 20 deliveries. This is good over by Tanveer Rashid. Good And Tanvi to another good shot played. This is good shot played by Shaukat Welder. This is 6 for Shaukat. This is 6 for YCC Yal. Now need only 17 runs in 19 deliveries. Can YCC Yal win this match? Can GCC Dundora stop this partnership? It will be seen in next. This is the court match between the two teams, YCC Yal versus GCC Dundora. Tanvi is very expensive. Tanvi to Shaukat. And this is no delivery given by the umpire Lala. This is given no ball by. Here is not happy. Tanvi Rashid is not happy here. Now YCC need 60 runs. And this is good bowling by Tanvi Rashid. Top delivery good. At the end of 15 hours, the score is 199 and they have lost 6. Now YCC Yal needs 16 runs in 18 deliveries. Adlan Baron. Sure. GCC Dundora needs 4 wickets and YCC Yal needs only 16 runs and they have 4 wickets in hand. Now Raju 17 come on his bowling finger. He also put 2 overs and he gives 17 runs and he takes 2 wickets. Good bowling by Raju 17. Raju to Shibir Yal. Shibir Yal is the batsman who is on 3. Now YCC Yal required only 16 runs in 18 deliveries. Raju 17 to Shibir. This is a top delivery. Good delivery by Raju 17. Now 17 balls and 16 runs on board. Raju to Shabir. And good shot played by the net and very good play by Saqib. Only a single. With the single, the score goes on 200 runs and they have lost 6 wickets. Now YCC need 15 runs in 17 deliveries. Good bowling by Raju 17. 15 runs, 16 deliveries. This is a very good match between the two teams. And this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. With this wide, the score goes on 200. Now YCC Yal needs 15 runs in 15 deliveries. Raju 17 to Shaukat. Not good haircut played by Shaukat. And this is good bowling by Raju 17. This is dot delivery. Another dot delivery by Raju 17. Now YCC Yal need 14 runs in 14 deliveries. Can Raju stop this? Can he break this partnership? And this is another good huge 6 by Shaukat Welder. Another 6 for YCC Yal. Good shot by Shaukat. Huge 6 from Shaukat. Now only required run is 8 runs required in 13 deliveries. 8 runs. Shaukat is the batsman. He is on 13 runs with the two huge 6s. Can Raju break this partnership? Can YCC win this match? It will be seen in next. YCC Yal needs only 8 runs in 13 deliveries. Shaukat, he is on strike. And another shot played by Shaukat for another. But at the end, very good fielding. But cannot stop the two batsmen to take. Here is. Yet was gay. 7 run. Very good cricket played by Ejaz Khaki and Zuhur. Now the two batsmen Shabir Yal and Shaukat. Shabir is on strike. YCC Yal need 6 runs in 12 deliveries. Only 6 runs need in 12 deliveries. Only one huge 6 need Shabir. Need YCC Yal. Can they win this match in this hour? It will be seen. And this is a wide delivery. Not good bowling by Faizan. This is wide delivery. Now YCC Yal need only 5 runs. 5 runs. 5 only 5 runs YCC Yal need. And this is another wide delivery. No, not wide delivery, sorry for wide. This is a dot delivery. Faizan to Shabir. Oh, very good shot played by Shabir. And there it is, another 4 for Shabir, for another 4 for YCC Yal. And very good kicker by YCC Yal. They need only 1 run for this win. The score is level here. Shabir Yal, he is on 8. Shaukat, he is on 15 on his non-strike. Now YCC Yal need only 1 run to win this match. This is a very good cricket play today by YCC Yal. They have 215 on board, but they completed this score in just 16.2 hours. Now they need only 1 run in 10 balls. Thank you for watching this live stream. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Keep share this live stream. This is Faizan to Shabir. Another good shot played at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the YCC, they win this match. Very good cricket played by YCC Yal. They won this match. YCC at the end. YCC Yal win this match. They won this match by 4 wickets. Very good cricket played by the two tamers, Zuhur and Ejaz Khaki. And from DCC Dondora, Marhoom is the player who plays also good knock. And at the end, YCC Yal win this by 4 wickets. Thank you for watching this live stream.